are so blessed, Sophia. I mean, you're a stable one, and you have a husband who's very poetic. He is famous in his career. I know you have nothing to wish for because your husband really loves you.
Thanks for that compliment, but my life isn't perfect. Having such a husband like Sam is just a decoration. But I love him, and that is a mere fact.
How can you say that?
My husband never meant to marry me in the first place, knowing the kind of husband would be like.
So what's the story behind? As a matter of luck, your husband is lucky man for having you. You're a good wife, and you always do your part as a partner.
Well, he couldn't resist me beauty. Sam is not a perfect man after all, and always forgive to get to take. But like others, not all things that he did will always be forgiven.
You're drunk again? Where the hell have you been, Sam? It's almost 12 midnight.
Oh, shut up. You know what, Sophia? You're a dull woman. You're nothing compared to others. I want to rest.
What's the matter with you? You always get yourself drunk. You didn't even call where this planet you are. I have been waiting for you because Mary just arrived yesterday from Australia and came to visit us this afternoon.
I don't care. Don't talk to me. You're freaking me out. I just want to rest, so just shut up. Sophia! Sophia! What have you done to me? Release me, you witch! Sophia! Sophia! Come here! Sophia! Sophia!
No, Sam! As long as you didn't promise me not to get drunk again, and you will never say what you said to me last night.
Shut up, Sophia. You have no right to do this to me, okay? Release me here now. You're crazy, Sophia. Listen to me. This will be the last time that you can do this to me, okay? Because I'm quitting.
What are you talking about?
I will leave you, Sophia. Our relationship will go worse if we try to continue this. Our respect for each other was already gone. Maybe this is goodbye.
Sam, you can't be serious. You won't do this to me. Come back here, Sam.
Sorry, I don't know.
Okay, next time you have to know your way.
One, two, 1, 4.
Hey!
Hey!
Stop.
Yeah, yeah, there.
Ah!
What's your name?
I'm Sam.
I'm Esa.
Nice to meet you.
Good.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
Y and Z E U L V E F. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Yay! Yes, Auntie.
Can you do me a favor?
Of course, Aunt Sophia. What is it?
I want you to bring this letter to your Uncle Sam in his house.
Really? I'm going to see my Uncle Sam in his house? Really?
Yes, Ivan.
Oh.
Just give him to him.
Okay, Aunt Sophia. I will behave there. Yay! 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 Yay!
Waiting for your call, I'm sick, call, I'm angry, call, I'm desperate for your voice. Listening to the song we used to sing in the car. You remember Butterfly, early summer. It's playing on repeat, just like when we would meet.
Uncle Sam, where are you? I'm here. Uncle Sam. Hi, Uncle.
Hey,
Hi, Uncle.
what brought you here? I already miss you.
I miss you too, Uncle. This letter is for you from Aunt Sophia.
Okay, I'll prepare a drink, okay? Wait here. You can pay if you want.
Okay, wow, lemonade.
How about your Aunt Sophia?
She is fine, Uncle. She even adds me. She is healthy than before.
Really? It's nice to hear that. I want you to give something to your aunt.
What is it?
Here.
Okay. Hi, Auntie. I'm back. I'm here.
Oh, is this for me?
Yes, Auntie.
Oh,
I think it's a poem.
really?
Yeah.
I will read this in my room.
Sure.
I know these poems are really good because Sam wrote this. Mas magkakaroon sila.
Hi, guys.
Oh, Ivan, I have seen your Uncle Sam and your aunt. I was surprised when I knew that your aunt is still young and very modern.
I don't think that woman is Ivan's aunt. She's very young for Mrs. Sam loves blue style.
I don't believe you. My uncle cannot do that.
Yes.
How was your day?
Mom, is that true that Uncle Sam has a new wife? My classmates saw the woman. They said that she was young, sophisticated, and modern.
Ivan, I think you should also know this. Yes, it is true. Your Uncle Sam's other woman. It was a long story, but what happened to me and your uncle was the right thing to do. I didn't blame your uncle for anything because I also made mistakes.
I understand the situation, Auntie. I just cannot believe that Uncle Sam can replace you. To a modern one and the young. Oh. Hello, Mom.
Have you heard the news?
What is it, Mom?
I just heard it, Ivan. That your Uncle Sam was... Your Aunt Sophia read the newspaper and it say that your Uncle Sam was dead.
You're lying, Mom. I just saw him last week in the school. What happened to him?
I really don't know, Ivan. It's news from your aunt, and I couldn't talk to your aunt about it because she was so upset.
Oh, this cannot be happening. Ah! Ah! Woo! Wasn't she aware of us? She didn't even looking at us and knowing that we are Uncle Sam's relatives.
Maybe she didn't know. Let's not talk about her.
That's impossible.
So, she was still there.
You're Esa, right? Can I ask you a favor?
What is it?
Maybe you should leave now. You don't have to stay here acting like a legal wife yourself.
No. I want to be with him even in his last moment here.
You don't belong here.
So, you want me to put me in a corner, do you? You think perhaps you can bully me out of here?
Quiet, please. Don't create a scene.
It's you who are creating a scene. Didn't you come here purposely to start one?
We're only trying to make you a reason. If you think of the day that on,
Let's see who is the reason. I understand that you want me to leave Isan East. Now that he is dead and cannot speak for me, you think I should quietly hide in the corner? Let me ask you, during the war when the poet was hard up, do you suppose I deserted him? Whose jewel do you think we sold when he did not make money? When he was ill, who was sick, who stayed at his side? Who took care of him during all those months and who peddled his book and poems to the publisher so that he could pay for the hospital bills? Did any of you come to him then? Let me ask you that. Now that he is dead, you want me to leave his side so that you and that vieja can have the honors and have pictures taken with the president? That's what you want, isn't it? To pose with the president. For Diyos! Make her stop it! Somebody stop her mouth! Now you listen, you scandalous woman. We don't care for the honors. We don't want it for ourselves. But we want the poet to be honored in the dead. To have a decent and respectable funeral without scandal. And the least you can do is to live here in peace.
Yes, you created enough scandal for him in life. That's why we couldn't go